Is it knit? Is it crochet? It's kind of both. Today on the Lopsided Crafter, we're diving into the Tunisian Knit Stitch, one of the most knit-like stitches in Tunisian crochet. The Tunisian Knit Stitch, also known as a TKS, mimics the look of classic stockinette stitch in knitting, but it's made with just a crochet hook. It's thick, squishy, and perfect for scarves, cowls, and textured panels. What you'll need: a Tunisian crochet hook, at least 1 to 2 sizes bigger in diameter than the yarn ball suggests, a worsted weight yarn. I'm using this lily and cream cotton. I suggest when you are learning a stitch that you use a light colored yarn, preferably cotton, so that when you're done with your swatch, you can use it as a coaster or a dishcloth. You don't want any fancy yarn or any fuzzy yarn while learning. And an optional stitch marker while you're learning so that you can find those edge stitches. You can use a Tunisian longtail cast on. I've got a video for that. I'll link it below and up in the cards. Or you can use a regular chain and pickup method. As with most Tunisian crochet, you skip the first stitch because we already have yarn coming out of that stitch. For the Tunisian knit stitch, we are going to insert our hook between the 2 vertical bars, not through it, not behind it, not under it, but through it. So you're going to go right directly through so that your hook comes out the back. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. It is that simple. Go through the stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. All the way across until you get to your edge stitch. Now that we're here with our edge stitch, it's like all other Tunisian. You go through both loops there on the side. So if you turn your project slightly, I've got the stitch marker here through these 2 vertical bars that we have created for our edge stitch. We're going to go through both of those, yarn over, and pull up a loop. We're going to remove that stitch marker so that we can put it in our new edge stitch. And to create that new edge stitch, we are going to do that on our return pass. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1. That creates our chain. If you turn the work sideways, you can see these 2 vertical bars that chain created. We're going to put that stitch marker through both of those bars so that we can find our edge stitch when we come back to it. From here, just like on this Tunisian simple stitch, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 all the way back across until we have 1 loop remaining on our hook. If your fabric is curling, see how it wants to curl? Don't worry, that is normal for this stitch. a border or blocking can help. Common mistakes for the Tunisian knit stitch is skipping the first bar. Some people want to go into that first vertical bar, but because we have that stitch coming out, we don't do anything with that bar. Inserting the hook under both vertical bars like this, that pretty much just creates a simple stitch. So you're wanting to go through and too tight tension. Is it too tight? Go up a hook. Is it too loose? Go down a hook. You can use the Tunisian knit stitch as an all-over texture and pair it with the Tunisian purl stitch or the Tunisian simple stitch for contrast. It's great for any project that needs a knit look, but with the ease of crochet. Going through that stitch all the way back to your edge stitch. Turn it slightly. You can get your hook through both of those stitches and pull up your loop. I see my yarn split there, so let's go back and fix that. There we go. Again, we're going to remove that stitch marker. Yarn over, pull through one to create the chain. Turn our work and put that stitch marker in that edge stitch. And now we are just going to yarn over and pull through two, again, all the way back to the beginning till we have one loop left on our hook. If you've enjoyed learning the Tunisian Knit Stitch, hit that like button and subscribe button and share with your crafty friends. And don't forget, the free cheat sheet and blog post is linked below. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye.